and to give a fight. And I appreciate the youth, and we are also on the on the streets fighting for justice, fighting to keep Goa clean and for the environment. What will be our role to save Goa?
To save Goa, I think we should start by intentionally organizing things where movements are people oriented rather than political parties oriented, and to bring back the power from wherever it is held to decentralize things and bring people into power. I think that should be a conscious effort that we should be doing in Goa. For example, starting with 39A, and it's an arbitrary power that has been given to the TCP. So without any people's involvement in the Gram Sabha, you can just arbitrarily change zones. So that is the kind of power that we are talking about. And when we talk about decentralizing and saving Goa, I think that is where we should start. Yeah, I'm Kanaka 39A. I'm Kanaka 39A. Decentralize everything that is being held at the helm and distribute the power to people, because people can rule themselves. Yeah.
Thank you very much, because
Thank you, Baba.
we are fighting for the last 40 years, I can say I'm on the street, but you people have made a wonders, and thank you for your time. Thank you very
Jai Bhim,
much.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Yeah.
Danish, come here, man. Baba, everybody here. There are samosas here. But don't deter. Don't deter.
Students are advertising.
Yeah, all of us are out there.
Yeah.
If you come back, nobody's
कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
Listen, let's stop with the photographs. First, who called him? Where is the PI? Sorry?
Okay, please.
Nobody
Can
came,
you remove your mask, please? Can you remove your mask? Wait, 1 minute. PI is here, I think. Come. Sir.
We have photo and video.
Take more. Okay, but by the way, Umar Khalid is just an under trial. He's not a criminal. This one. So he's saying free him.
Sir, may we please request what is wrong with the poster?
Saying free him.
Sir,
Not a question.
may we request what
Is
is
it a
wrong?
offense?
Regarding what, sir?
I will be taking for action.
No.
No.
Like the media is
You issue
there
a notice.
before the
You
media.
issue a notice as a procedure. You cannot just leave anybody and take.
What is his name? Just asking.
No. You issue a notice, not the
Ask him to
procedure.
remove his mask.
He's removed the mask. Remove the
No,
mask.
it is his right to have the mask on, sir.
Why?
It is his right to have the mask on.
If it's so,
If he doesn't want to.
what is his name? What is his name?
Dennis.
What is his name? Show his ID proof. Show your ID proof. Please. Now what? We can detain now. He is not showing. If he is not showing, listen.
He's committed any crime.
Listen. If he is not showing, listen to me first. If he is not showing his ID proof,